Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is an English for grade 5, and we are learning unit number 8, and its title is A Walk in Paradise. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 5, we will learn about scanning the text, how we can scan a text so quickly. So yes, my dear fellow teachers, already in English for grade 3, we have already learned in unit number 9, page number 68, locate, scan specific factual informations to answer short questions based on the text. We have already learned this SLO. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to learn further, scan the text for specific information. So yes, my dear fellow teachers and my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Az-Zalzala, and whatever good they do, never will it be removed from them. And Allah is knowing of the righteous. So yes, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us that what we are doing in this world, even that is a good, even that is a bad, whatever we are doing in this world, so that will never be removed, okay? And Allah Almighty knows everything that even we think in our mind, okay? So this beautiful verse is telling us about that. It means Allah Almighty have everything. He knows everything. Even we are going to plan, even we have to plan, but He knows already all these things, okay? So let's pray to Almighty Allah that Allah Almighty blesses right back. Ameen. So yes, see there, here is a text for you, my dear students. We are going to perform an activity and be active. Yes, on page number 60, what you have to do, you have to read that text that we reached until here. Read this text quickly, okay, and then give important information to your teacher. Few facts about Neelam Valley, okay. So this is an activity for you. Pause the video and perform this activity and be quick. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. I hope you have done with it and you have shared few facts about Neelam Valley. So let's see what was this activity that we have done right now. Scanning. What is scanning? Scanning rapidly covers a great deal of material to locate specific fact or a piece of information. Scanning is very useful for finding a specific name, date, statistics or fact without reading the entire article. So yes, that we have done now, my dear students. In our brainstorming activity, we have read a paragraph so quickly and we got some specific information, even it is a name, it is according to date or even according to facts. So this all process is called scanning, okay. In scanning, we don't have to read the whole article like a whole chapter, yet we can get specific and factual information and then we can share with others, okay. So this is called scanning. So let's see, now we are moving to our chapter, page number 61. Open. It is a summer hill station and a breathtaking tourist place. Where we had left, my dear students, where they had reached, yes, in our previous last day lesson, they had reached Arang Hill. Now he is describing this place. It is a summer hill station and a breathtaking tourist place. There were many hotels for tourists to choose from and spend the night there. Later, we made our way to Taubert, the last station at the Neelam Valley. We saw that a narrow strip of land between the fish farm was breathtaking. Yes, now the narrator is describing his stay at Arunkhel and how they reached at Taubert, and Taubert is the last station of the Neelam Valley, and what they had seen there, yes, they had seen a narrow strip between the land in the shape of like a fish farm, and it was very beautiful scene, okay. Breathtaking, there is word in our book. So what it's mean? Extremely exciting, like beautiful, or surprising, like soothing, very beautiful. And what is a breathtaking thing? Breathtaking means that effects on our, even on our soul, on our mind. So these views, these scenes are called breathtaking. Next is, we also saw golden farmland crops, clear water, beautiful flowers, and the clear sky mesmerized us. We had never seen this natural beauty before. The fish farm at Taubert breeds trout fish that was very delicious. Yes, so where they had eaten fish, which fish? Trout fish. And at the place of point of Taubert, because there were farmlands, okay, they had fish farm also there. The narrator is explaining the beauty of Kashmir, my dear students. How he is explaining, like in the shape of crops, clear water, beautiful flowers, and clear blue sky. It was so beautiful for them. Okay, meanings are there. Mesmerize mean to catch someone's complete attention. Complete attention means that one is not able to think anything else, not able to think anything anywhere where he is or she is. Okay, so this thing is called mesmerize. Okay, like completely attention, when we get complete attention of anything. So this is called mesmerize. Breed is a group of animals that has a specific characteristics. So this is breed. Okay, when something is breeding. And always in this chapter, fish breeds. Okay, Taubert breeds trout fish. There was a word. Okay, there is another question for you. What did the narrator and his family see in Taubert? Okay, so what did they see over there? Excellent job. Good job, my dear students. Definitely they had seen natural beauty, and fish farm were there, and they also tasted delicious fish, trout fish over there. So these all things were being explained by narrator. The next one is, in the summer the weather is so warm, so it was easier for us to participate in activities like climbing mountains and swimming in the lakes. We hiked through mountains, passes, forests, and colorful meadows. We captured all the beauties of Kashmir in our camera. Okay, so he is narrating that it was summer season, so they took bath and also they hiked on the mountains. He's explaining his own activities, that what did they do throughout the whole visit through Kashmir's. What is hiking? The activity of going for long walks, especially across country. When we are going long walk through mountains, especially, so my dear students, this is called hiking. Okay, next one. Capture, to record in the form of stored data. Okay, when we are storing our data in anything, so this is called capture. When we want to capture some moments, few moments of our life, so this is called in the shape of data in any device. So this is called capture. There is a question for you. Where did the narrator and his family go for hiking? Okay, where did they go for hiking? Yes, my dear students, they went for hiking in Taubert, and they hiked through mountains, passes, forests, and colorful meadows. Okay, good job. Next, last one is there. The experiences and adventures we had in Kashmir were very unforgettable. We returned to Islamabad the next day with so many memories. So this beautiful text at the end is telling us that how they were so excited and how adventures different experiences are soothing for our soul, for our mind when we are getting these visits. So we have to enjoy. Okay, and so that they return to Islamabad next day with so many memories in their mind. Have you got, my dear students? And we have completed our lesson. We have a unit. Good job. Next is there is a meaning for you. Unforgettable, impossible to forget. Here is another question. Name 5 visiting spots of Kashmir from the text. This is for you, and you have to find out 5 visiting places of Kashmir, and you have to find out from the text that we have read just now. Okay, and these all questions then you have to write in your notebook. You got, my dear students? Good job. Now there is a time to move toward an activity. It's an activity time. Okay, what we are going to do? Yes, what you have to do? Be careful, listen, scan at least 10 adjectives from the text. We have learned now in complete chapter you have to scan quickly 10 adjectives. Okay, that group, even my dear teacher, if you want to get students into group, it's up to you, and if you want to get into pairs, so you can. You have free will and perform this activity in your class, and you have to find out at least 10 adjectives. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Welcome back. Good job. I hope you have done with it, and you have done with it nicely. Good job, my dear students. So yes, now what you have to do on page number 62, there is another activity, and this time we are going to perform this activity individually. On question number 1, question B, E, and F you have to do in your notebooks, and question number 2 you have to do on your book. Pause the video and perform this activity individually in your class. Welcome back, and I hope you have done with it nicely. Good job, my dear students. So what's your homework for today? You have to make sentences of words given in question number 3 on page number 63 in your notebooks. There is a question number 3, and you have to use these words in your sentences of your own. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this is a paragraph for you in the shape of worksheet, and you have to give it to your students that so that we might be able to get that how much knowledge they have got, that how we can scan a different paragraph. So this worksheet will give them sense about how we can scan paragraphs. Okay, so what we have learned today? Today we learned about scanning. We learned how we can scan a text for specific information to answer short questions, and in this way we have covered up our SLO. Scan the text for specific information. Well done, and we have done with it, and it's a great job. So I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture, my dear students. So tomorrow with a new lecture we will meet soon. Till that time, take care of yourself, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.